On a commercial side, it is amazing all the different types of options there are out there. There's what their things called built detergents, which has got alkali and the detergent in together. You've got them where they're separated, where you can put in maybe a 5 different product system where you can alkali, a non-built detergent, a bleach, oxygen bleach, chlorine bleach. There's sours, which bring the alkali alinity down. There's softeners, there's sour softs that go together. There's a whole combination of different chemicals that go into different applications. We have a whole division that does nothing but chemicals for healthcare, hospitality, whether it could be in kitchen and warewashing as well as the laundry side. There's different, where you've got super concentrated 1 gallon that someone can easily put up on a wall. And it's just going to use maybe an ounce and a half in a huge 60-pound washer because it's concentrated. You've got other ones that just want 5-gallon or 15-gallon buckets. So those they're great, but it's also very difficult to move those around. So those are there's a lot of different options and choices when it comes into the chemistry side of it. And it also directly relates to what are you trying to wash? If you've got heavy grease and soil, then that's going to require something different than just a light soil. The whole chemistry side of it is amazing on what there's out there to offer. But having a good partner that understands those things and tries to balance out what your needs are with the cost of the product and what the wash quality results are. The easiest way to make things look great and cheap is throw a bunch of bleach at it. And we've seen that. And guess what happens? All of a sudden, you can just start tearing towels apart. But boy, does it look good when they first start and the price is down low. But you're going to pay for it in the linen. So understanding who your chemical provider is, what their goals are, and setting a realistic budget to get things done and clean and protect your linens kind of all balances out your decision making. We've run into some really challenging commercial laundries. So these are for-profit laundries. And they could be running, let's say, gloves that came out of meat packing. They could be running shop towels. They could be running uniforms. They could be running maybe even sheets and towels out of it. So there could be where you could walk in where most facilities I could probably get away with 4, 5, or 6 formulas. In some situations, we've had as many as 15, 20, or plus different formulas based on what products they've got coming in. So that's a unique situation we don't see a ton of, but having understanding of, again, what are you trying to process and how to get things clean based on what the soil levels are, then you need to make those adjustments.